Good morning, Glen Cove. After a long night's working constantly, not everything is done yet. Still, lots to do. But all of those containers had to get out of my living room because you can see how small it is. It's not a big space by any means. So to have 5 containers in a pile of stuff around drove me crazy. I have to unpack. That's just who I am and how it is. Okay, a few things we got to deal with, some issues. Our picture fell down from the wall. I don't know why. We don't know why. Vinny has to make new clamps on the back of it. He restapled it. It's a little flimsy, but I think we were overcharged for that one. That's a rethink now, sadly. But his tools are not going to stay on my thing. That's since last night. You got to put them away. Remember that. He's fixing his computer.
What do you think? We're just going to leave them there?
No, but they've been there since last night, so it's becoming an issue. I don't want to wake up to them.
And the packing's still there, and I haven't had time. I'm washing, cleaning, setting up.
All right.
Not like you, you know.
Oh, yeah. I laid around all night, okay.
Wow.
All right, let's go see my pantry and what I did with all that food and where I put it and how I put it, because I think that's what this video was supposed to be about. Still, work in progress. This is a clothing closet that part-times as a pantry. I had to put coffee on the floor and his protein bags because I ran out of room. But you'll be surprised. Sorry for the bad cinematography. As always, I'm raw and real, Jeanine. See, I have my crock pot down there because I have one here and one there. I have sauce from last year. It's not bad. And I filled her up. See, now I'm happy. I have all my grains. I even bought this oil with me. That oil is $23. And look how much I had left in it. Come on. It's 3/4 full. There's no way I was leaving it. And I have all my pastas up here. And baking. I got to get a baking section. Cereals. Pastas, soups, all my sauces and pestos and things, and rices and noodles and grains, and I have food, so now I feel really good. I'll eat. And I also had this one here already from last year. Now here's $42 worth of cereal. Was not leaving it behind. He will eat this in a 5-month period, maybe less. We don't know. I think he said box lasts him 3 weeks. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 24. What's 24 weeks? 3 months. Okay, that's only a 3-month supply. But it's 3 months of savings because it's getting pricey. Special K is getting a little out of control. All right, let's show you where I put the rest of the food. Okay, this is still a work in progress. That's going to be tackled today. I brought all my spices. I'll show you anyways the before and then the after with the counter clean. See? All that food last night. I put my dry milks up on the top I brought with me. New pasta, fresh pasta. More goodies. I gotta take that Ritz cracker snack out of there because we won't eat it if we don't see it. Remember what I was saying? If I don't see it, I won't eat it. And I bought an onion last night in the supermarket, but I brought my garlic with me from home. This girl's not playing, okay? I brought everything I needed. This was here, brand new olive oil. And if you noticed, I have the cooking ones there, and up there I have another brand new one and another one in the back. That was 1, 2, 3, so it's 15, 50, 30, 40, 45. Again, another $45 just in olive oil. Okay, just in olive oil. Okay, let me show you around here. I brought the honey with me, the raw honey with the comb. I'm going to put it into its container. When I have time and everything's cleaned, we have a little bit of an issue. We came home to a house guest. They're the tiniest ants I've ever seen in my life. I just had to make a fresh coffee because one got in my cup. If anybody knows any tips or tricks, please. These are like microscopic ants. We saw them on the floor. We're going to get some ant traps, but I had this issue in Florida, and they're very hard to get rid of. So if you have any situation, text me in the comments. This is for ants to get rid of them. Okay. Luckily, I bought my Cuisinart. So what I'm doing now is last year, I'm balancing everything out because I am making, look, see, figs, $7. Wasn't leaving them. This is the toaster. The processor I'm keeping out because now I have to use it more often for my dips and sauces, and the coffee maker. So that's that. This is a little bit of a mess still over here. I filled these cupboards. Let me show you. Coming up. See, those beans were here from last year. I brought some containers over there. Got my ramen. jelly and peanut butter we had brand new in Florida, and olives. All good stuff, guys. All good stuff. So you know we eat it. Brandy new ketchup. I even froze stuff here that I didn't realize I froze in the freezer. Let me show you. I froze milk half and half. I froze butter, bread, pasta. I guess I was doing an experiment, and I put some stuff in April. Look at me. Always thinking ahead, a whole head of garlic frozen. I kill me. I kill myself. A crazy girl. Now the refrigerator is what we have to, if I could get it open. Oh, wait a minute. I just pulled the whole refrigerator out. That's got to go back. Okay. Woo. That was scary. I'm either very strong or that's a very loose fridge. Okay. Back to the video. The other new thing is I made this coffee central here, Cappuccino City, so to speak, whatever you want to call it. This is where I put my phone charger. I moved this here because that was dead space with cookbooks. Now it makes sense. This is going to be for entertaining for coffee, and if I have wine to put there. Now, over here in the corner, I brought it as a space saver. I already ordered my Drew Barrymore air fryer. You know I'm in love with that thing. That thing cooks so good. We won't have to turn on the big oven, even though I have air fryer capabilities in the new stove. Who wants to turn on the oven? It's going to be hot summer. It was hot yesterday here, you know. The dining room's the same. I got to find a place for my tablet that I can hook in. The plants found the sunniest spot in the house. In the morning, the sun floods through the dining room. It's really nice. And I let them reacclimate there till they get their rootings. Now let's go outside and I'll show you the work ahead. Oh, the sun is in my eye. Okay. Vinny's gonna have to, this is Vinny's job. He's gonna power wash the whole thing. We have some kind of, I don't know, sawdust under there. I don't know what that's from. And the cafe's gotta get pulled together. I need a new cloth. We need to zhuzh it up. I'm planning on a little vegetable garden here. I bought some lettuce, tomatoes, and I don't know, I think I'm behind on the game. We'll see. This is still lovely. My view from the terrace. I enjoy this very much. And the pool is open and heated. So people were in it yesterday. It was very hot here when we arrived. I love the way they landscape here. It's so beautiful, so pristine. Very nice. Okay, my lovelies, and that's it till I have something to show you new, and I might not get back in the kitchen till I have everything up and running, meaning I don't have any food to cook. I do have food if you want to see more beans, but I have food. I have to make my lentils. Maybe I'll come on and do that. We'll see. All right, until Jeanine's kitchen is up and cooking, wish me well. I got to work on the spice cabinet.